Robust and adaptable. Version 6.8 of Stratum.Viewer and Stratum.Connector for Viewer deliver that type of analysis to you, serving up a powerhouse set of tools to back your many decision-making activities in today's data-driven world. The centerpiece is this navigation panel. Data visibility is the name of the game here. Scan the panel to understand how your view is organized. See the entire drill down path, both the data currently on display in the grid and all additional data that's available to explore. This panel and grid stay in sync as you click around to delve into layers of detail. Switching from analysis to edit tasks is a snap on both touch and click-based devices. Add data from the new Add Hierarchies window. Rearrange things in the drill down path, or move levels into the View Filter section to focus the view. Remove data not needed for your analysis. That's a lot of view editing shortcuts at your disposal for crafting the perfect view. There's more of those shortcuts elsewhere in Viewer. Fast-track your filtering tasks with features bundled into the updated View Filter section and Filters window. Filter information is clearly laid out here and in the Filters window, helping you understand the current state of your view. From this hub, adjust filtering on any part of the view like I'm doing now for some measure items. Then, do a single grid refresh to apply all changes at once. One more shortcut aids in adding context setting information to views. These new grid options reduce the steps for adding attribute relationships or editing what's already displayed. Empower your users with many time-saving features for producing views that paint a well-rounded picture of your data. There are specialized time-saving upgrades for administrators in version 6.8. Here's 2 things they should know more about. First, there's a new View Move tool that aids in view housekeeping. Keep view groups decluttered by moving inactive views to an archive location. Just as quickly, move them back into active groups when you want to bring them back into circulation. Second, within Stratum.Connector for Viewer, we reorganize its data setup and processing preferences for ease of use. Of even greater benefit is a robust email notification system driven by these new email properties. Set up a system of custom emails that proactively and automatically keep Connector administrators in the know about the status of viewer and database processing. Let us tell you more about what else is new and how you can upgrade. Reach out to us by email, phone, or the Silvon website. A Silvon team member will get back to you with more details about version 6.8.